In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how the higher and lower option works on the Deriv broker. So I've been doing a series of videos, and please note these videos are just for education purposes, and they are for people that are just getting started with forex trading, or those people that need to understand how to navigate their way on the Deriv platform. So what I've actually done is I've added a link that will take you to all the videos that I've been doing in the past, how to create an account and the other things like that. So I'd love to welcome you to my channel. This is Kuda Online. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you are one of those visitors that are returning here, please just give this video a thumbs up. You know, when you do that, this video is going to be recommended to other people via YouTube algorithm. And thanks so much for doing that. So one thing that I really need to emphasize as well is that these videos are done for just information purposes, and make sure that you understand the risk and the reward of trading options or forex trading, and make sure that you are knowledgeable. So if you don't have an account for Deriv, please just go ahead and find the link in the description and create your account. Other than that, I want to emphasize that you also download this ebook. Okay, this ebook is about how to trade stocks the smart way. It's a free ebook. I've added a link in the description that will take you to this page where you just enter your email. It's free, and this ebook covers quite a number of things about getting started with trading, like the basics of CFD trading and some other important things that are there. So with that out of the way, let me just head over into my Deriv account. I'm actually logged in, and to be at a place like this, I'm gonna use the D trader. Okay, I've just clicked on the D trader, and what you're seeing right there, in the other videos I've done quite a number of things, like how to navigate your way here, how to use these tools, drawing lines and things like that. So this is actually the market movement that you're seeing. The market moves up and down, as you can see. So in also another video, I've mentioned how to have a demo account and make sure that you practice in the demo account as much as you can before you move into trading with real money. So in the other video also, I've actually shown you the rise and fall. So to do that, there's so many options that you have that you can select in terms of the markets. You can actually select currency pairs, and then you select that, or stock indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. But in this example, what I'm just going to do is just use synthetic indices, and I'm going to select volatility 10 as my example. So the movement that you're seeing right there is for this volatility 10. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to head over here to where it says rise and fall. I've done a video explaining about rise and fall, and if you want to learn more, just go to the rise and fall and just click here on where it says there's an eye icon. So I'm going to go to options, and the E is higher and lower. Now I'm going to select the higher and lower. Now the higher and lower basically is, let me just read this. Okay, you can actually read this on your own. Let me just close this. Now the higher or lower, what it simply means is that number one, you have to select the time duration, or you can actually select the time end when you want your trade to end. And here you can select ticks, seconds, minutes, and I want to explain that ticks is just like, you see one movement there, that's the tick, and that's the tick there. So you're just saying in 9 ticks I want to be in profit or not. So again, emphasize caution. Like I said, do this in your demo account and practice a lot. I emphasize on that. So this video is just for you to navigate this platform. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to change that. Probably I'm going to put let me just put 10 ticks right there. Let me just put 10 ticks. I don't know what's happening with my mouse. Okay, I don't know what's happening. Let me see. Okay, my keyboard was not responding as fast as I wanted, so I had to put the 10 ticks there. So what it simply means here is, let me just see if I can draw some lines on the screen. What it simply means here is that you are saying that you want to enter a market at this point, okay, and you have to set a barrier. Okay, your barrier can be this is the default value that they've given us, is plus 0.29. So it can be minus as well. You can actually put it on minus 0. whatever, or 0.1 and things like that. So basically what you're saying is that I'm entering my market here, okay, And if you're saying plus 0.29, you're saying this point, at this point, at the end of the 10 ticks or the end of a day or minute that you've actually selected, you're saying that at this point plus the barrier point that I've actually set, the price is either going to be lower than the barrier point, or the price is going to be higher than the barrier point. So basically that's what you're saying. And just do a little bit of practice as you do this so that you can understand. So I'm just going to leave the default barrier as it is, and some other people can just customize based on what they want, and again showed you how to use this in another video. So yeah, I'm just going to leave this money as 80,000. So as you can see here that if I set the default on 10 ticks, if I say above the barrier point, it's going to be higher than above the barrier point. I'm going to make 3,487, and if I say that it's going to be lower than the barrier point, then I'm going to make 1,355 and something. So this is a demo account, okay? So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to randomly place my trade, okay? I'm going to randomly place my trade without making any technical analysis and things like that. So you need to get technical advice in terms of how you place your trades. Some of the people, they use indicators, some of the people, they use trend lines, some of the people, they use quite a number of strategies. It depends with your strategy. So let's say I've made a decision, I want to make things happen now, and I'm ready to enter my trade. And what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to click on the lower for this example. So there is my entry point, and now the barrier point is here. So we are saying that the price is going to be lower than the barrier point that I've actually done at 10 ticks. So as you can see there, I have actually won. I've actually won this trade. Okay, that's why you can see my balance is actually increased. So let me just see if I can actually open this this trade. So which one was it? Okay, this was the trade, and I'm actually in the profit. Let me see if I can go back to my actual trade and then try and zoom back. Okay, I wish I could freeze this because the market is moving. So as you can see that on the screen right there, my entry point was that, and it was lower. So that's basically how you use the higher and the lower options. So let me just do that again, and this time around I'm just going to go back to the market point and just zoom this, and let me see if I can. Okay, so this is my entry point. I need to see if I can do the higher this time, because last time I did the lower. So so I'm saying apply at the barrier point, my entry point plus 0.29, the price is going to be higher than that. So let me just see, if I get it right, I get 3,000. If I get it wrong, I lose 1,000. This is my demo account. Okay, let me just randomly click on that, and there we go. I have my entry point right here. Okay, so we are saying the price is going to be higher at 10 ticks. Okay, remember we selected 10 ticks, and as you can see, I've actually lost this trade. Okay, that simply means I've lost 1,000. Okay, so what is happening right now is something that can also happen in your real account. When you are doing this, don't do it randomly the way I'm actually doing, otherwise you may lose your money. Take caution when you're doing this. So once you learn about this, you need to learn how to set your barrier points and the other things. So basically that's how it works, and you can actually play around with the time frames, the durations, and the other stuff in your demo account as you practice. So I haven't done the actual deposit into my account, into my real account. It's still 0. So what I'm going to do is just continue watching, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment below this video. I'm just covering everything that a beginner wants to know when they actually log into the Deriv platform. So thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my other videos, and looking forward to your questions and your contribution as well. You know, I may have missed some of these things. I know I'm not the only person who can give instructions out there. There are people who can do better than me, and who have some tips and strategies and whatever they have to share. Please go ahead and comment below this video. With that being said, bye for now.